Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. Big thanks to all who've been with us so far, and if you're just checking us out, you're in for a treat. We've got some really handy tools to show you that'll make your work life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into our straight line distance matrix calculator. This nifty tool is perfect for anyone needing to measure straight line distances between addresses codes in the US in a matrix format. It's all done right in Excel and tailored for businesses dealing with logistics. You just pop in your addresses or zip codes, hit calculate, and just like magic, you get all your straight line distances laid out neatly in a matrix format. Let me show you how the tool works. Once you download the tool from the link in the description below, you'll open the Excel file where you simply paste your addresses in the first row and the first column. Now all we have to do is click the Calculate button, and the tool will automatically calculate the straight line distances at each intersection. The user-friendly interface ensures that you can easily interpret and utilize the data for logistical planning. It should really be as simple as that. If you're in logistics, delivery, or any field where knowing precise distances is key, this calculator will be a game changer. It's quick, accurate, and saves a ton of time and hassle in route planning and travel estimations. We've been putting together these Excel tools for over 15 years, focusing on making them easy to use and helpful. They're designed to cut through the noise and solve real logistics problems quickly and efficiently. We hear from our users all the time. Emails received every week from clients who are thrilled about how much easier their work's become and how our tools saved them from hours of work. We've got a community of over 7,500 happy customers and over 120 five-star Google reviews to back it up. Feel free to check them out and see what people are saying about our tools and how it helped them streamline their work. If you're looking for something a bit different or need some customizations to the tool, by all means let us know. We're all about making sure you get exactly what you need. Thanks for stopping by. Just click the link below to download the Straight Line Distance Matrix Calculator. Check out our website, ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, for other tools, all designed to tackle those tricky logistics issues. All of our tools are built in Excel, and as such, there's nothing to install. And remember, if you need any customizations, just reach out. We're here to help tailor our tools to your specific needs. Thanks for your support, and feel free to get in touch if you need anything. Phone number and email on screen. And also, you can reach us via live chat on our website. Thank you again for watching the video, and see you next time.